How to draw Pawmi the Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Pawmi today, let's begin by drawing the hair. We're going to want to draw one big piece of hair right here towards the center of the page. Next, on the left and right hand side of that piece of hair that we just drew, we're going to want to draw the outline for each ear. Now to draw the inside of each ear, we're going to want to first draw a curved line that looks similar to an upside down C with a circular shape attached to the top. And at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Also, if you want to see more Pokemon drawing lessons just like this, then be sure to check out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist, which I'll put a link to down in the description below. Are you all done drawing the inside of the ears? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. So for the next step, to draw the outline of the face, we're going to draw a big curved line that will connect from the left ear all the way over to the right. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Now before we draw the detail for the inside of the face, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the rest of the body, beginning with the legs. Let's go ahead and draw the first leg on the left hand side of the body. Nice! Now let's go ahead and draw the second leg on the right hand side of the body. Now on the bottom of each leg, we're going to draw a small curved line going across from left to right to help separate the colors. Now we're almost done with drawing the outline of the body, we just have to move back over to the right hand side to draw the back leg along with the back tail. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Fantastic, now all we have left to do before we color is to draw the face, so let's go ahead and draw the mouth first by drawing a circular shape attached to the bottom of the face. And for the mouth, I'll just draw a simple small curved line. Next to the mouth, to make the eyes, let's go ahead and draw small circles. And on the inside of each eye, to help separate the colors, let's go ahead and draw two smaller circles, one towards the top of the circle and one towards the bottom. Now last but not least, below each eye, let's go ahead and draw one more circle for the dimples. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Pawmi, the Pokemon. If you want to see more Pokemon drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to check out our Pokemon drawing tutorial list down in the description below. Also, I'll include a link to all of the supplies that we use, including our paper, ring light, background, and even our markers. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.